This meeting is being recorded.
In problem 3, we are given some information about diethyl ether, and we're told that there was a study performed to try to find a replacement for diethyl ether after it was found that it was a toxic component for anesthetic. So all 6 ethers with the molecular formula C5H12O were studied and we're asked to provide a common name and a systematic name for each of these ethers. So let's see what we have down below. So this first structure here, we'll call number 1. If we were to give it a, we'll say the common name here, we will call this N-butyl, because this substituent here is 4 carbons in a row, methyl ether. So this is again the common name, and then the IUPAC name put in a different color down below. The systematic name we will call this methoxy, so 1-methoxy, and then the parent would be the 4-carbon butane. So let's take a look at this next structure here, and the common name we would say would be, for this part here, we would call it isobutyl. And then this portion here would be methyl ether. So we have isobutyl methyl ether, and then if we were to give the IUPAC name, we would call this a 1-methoxy. And then this would be a 2-methyl propane parent. So let's see if we can name the rest of these structures here. So this would be a sec-butyl, and then methyl ether for the common name. This up here we would call a tert-butyl methyl ether as the common name. This guy over here we would call an ethyl, and then N-propyl ether. And then this last one down here would be an ethyl isopropyl ether. All right, so let's quickly fill in with all of the IUPAC names here. So this last structure would be a oh, I got the wrong color selected here. So this last structure down here, this would be a 2-methoxybutane as their parent. This butyl methyl ether up top here, this we would call a 2-methoxy, 2-methylpropane. This ethyl N-propyl ether, this would be a 1-ethoxy propane. Oh, just ethoxy. And then we have our last structure here. This would be a 2-ethoxy propane.